I have no self-control. Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. Whether it's your first time or you're returning, I ask that you do 3 things. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you happen to like what it is that you see here at Chucks and Chapstick, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Go ahead and tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. And of course, I love to hear from you. Please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So as the intro shows, this is a Stitch Fix. I haven't gotten Stitch Fix in a while. Because I have no self-control, I already looked at the app. I know what's in the box. So without further ado, I will go ahead and show you what I got. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get the one item out the way that did not fit. All right, so the next item we have is this cheetah, leopard, some kind of animal in the jungle print. I think this is called the yoke of a shirt. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's sheer, like you can see completely through it, and I have on a black bra. But I think because of the type of print it is, that it actually, you can't like, unless I'm all up on you like, look at my bra, it looks like the print just kind of gets dark over here, which I think is kind of a cool way to camouflage your bra, as long as you wear a black one. Of course, if it was green or orange or yellow, of course it would be a lot more evident. But it's a tank top. It has very stretchy body to it. I paired it with a pair of jeans and some black slides that have little gold details on them. But I just think this is a really like fun, casual outfit. You could put this on with a blazer and wear it to work. You could wear it with a pair of shorts and just look really super casual. I'll turn around and let you see what it looks like from the back. I do think that I would like to have this a size up. It's okay, but I would rather have it just a little looser. But this was quite a surprise. I like this a lot. So I think this may be a keeper. I do not like crisscross tops. I said I don't like crisscross tops. I might like crisscross tops. For whatever reason, I've hated this for a couple of years, and so I've avoided it. Asked people specifically not to send it to me, and now I have it on, and I actually kind of like it a little bit. Anyway, so it's a t-shirt that's kind of really not expensive, jersey, polyester, spandex type mix. This is navy and white, in case you can't tell. It is not a bad length on me, a little longer than what I prefer, but that's okay. I have it paired with a pair of taured jeans, and then of course I have on some white chucks, which clearly I haven't worn because they're still crispy white. But anyway, super stretchy, super comfortable, pretty breathable. It's very comfortable. I don't know that I have very many complaints, unfortunately. I'm gonna turn around and show you the back. So a nice casual shirt. In the words of Kelly B from And I Get Dressed, I am shooketh at these next 2 pieces. Let me back up and show you. These Bermuda shorts are so super cute. They have zippers, non-functional pockets, but a decorative zipper. They are stretchy material, but they're Bermudas, and I have never worn Bermudas before. So it's like a stretch crepe type of material. Again, it's super stretchy, but then it conforms to your legs. And it has a stretchy waist, so I am just in love with these shorts. I never in a million years would have picked these out on my own, but Stitch Fix sent them to me, and OMG. Now, backing up a little bit more, I am going to show you these Keds. These are a pair of leopard print calf hair Keds, and they are from the Kate Spade collaboration. Rest in peace, Kate Spade. But they're from the Kate Spade collaboration. Now let me tell you about these shoes. First of all, I've been seeing these shoes for about 1.5 years and been like, they're Keds, get out of my life. But they sent them to me and they are so comfortable. And not only are they comfortable, but they are super cute. They have like really cute gold details like the spade for Kate Spade. I'm in love with them. What I'm not in love with is that price though. So guess what? I see all I did. It just happens to be Memorial Day weekend. I get online and sure enough, I find a 30% off coupon directly from Keds for these exact shoes. So sorry Stitch Fix, thanks. But I had to get them from somewhere else. But these are super cute shoes and I'm glad that they sent them to me because I've been passing these shoes by for a year. And oh my God, they're so cute and so comfortable. Oh, and of course, my favorite top that I have in almost every color from Universal Standard in the burgundy wineish color. So I just did a whole thing here with the pant, the top, tying in the gold and the burgundy, and then of course I'll put my naked foot to the side there, the shoe. What do you think? So what did you guys think about this fix? I thought that this was a really, really good fix. If you watch my last video for Stitch Fix, you would know that my stylist, Jason, who I'd had for over a year, had been given a promotion at Stitch Fix, and so he wasn't gonna be able to style me anymore. I like Jason quite a bit, so I was really nervous about getting a new stylist. I'm always nervous as a plus size woman when it comes to doing the style boxes because for so many years, if you were plus size, it was don't wear patterns, wear all black, don't wear bold colors, don't show your arms, don't show your legs, just kind of fade into the background. And that is so not me. There are a lot of plus size women out there who don't show their legs, they don't show their arms, they only want to wear, you know, muted neutral colors, and that's fine. It's all about whatever you're comfortable with. But me, I'm comfortable with showing skin. I am comfortable with having things that stretch and are a little form-fitting. I am comfortable with prints and color. In fact, I prefer all of those things. So, was nervous about Michelle maybe putting me into some of those other categories, but she definitely showed up and showed out. So anyway, what am I going to keep? I am going to keep the shorts, which I'm still wearing. I'm going to keep the leopard print top. I'm gonna think about the blue striped top. I'm on the fence about it. Most of it is just me not wanting to change my mind and admit I was wrong about crisscross tops, but I'm gonna think about it. And then of course, I've already ordered the Keds. So that's it. So I hope you had a safe, happy, and healthy Memorial Day weekend, and I pray that you continue to be safe and healthy as we deal with everything going on in the world. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, please do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.